To stop YouTube from automatically translating titles, descriptions, and etc., first of all, you will need to open your YouTube, and then when you see something like this, as you can see, it's Polish channel where everything is basically translated to English, at least most of the things. And then to fix it, we need to add extension to our browser. So depending whichever browser you're using, you should be able to open Chrome web browser and then look for this extension right here. So copy it, YouTube no translation, and then add it to your browser. Then when it's added, instantly it should pop open this website, and make sure that you have most of the things here ticked, like original titles, audio tracks, original descriptions, and subtitles preferably. Then when you have it, you need to reload your page for YouTube, and as you can see, it's back to its original language. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.